my happy place, man. This city, this country. This is where I'm supposed to be right now. My name is Knowledge for a reason. I love learning. I love the new things I learn every day.
This bird is literally, I swear, the one is always in the river right here. Literally, just one. Oh, okay, word. I'm down. That's fine.
It's just the place where my heart feels like it should be.
Yo, Oscar up in here, man. Welcome, welcome, bro.
I feel
What's
like,
the deal, brother?
As an artist that shares art,
Welcome in,
I feel
man.
like you should be in a place like where you feel the safest and the most inspired, so that the art you give to the world is genuine and you made it in a good place.
We're just vibing, man. Checking out this documentary.